Hey Note 13 Pro users, welcome back to another brand new episode of Mobile Funda. Many of you have been asking how to install the official HyperOS China ROM on the global Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G. So in today's video, I am going to show you the easiest and safest method to install the official China ROM on your device. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Mobile Funda so you never miss any Note 13 Pro updates in the future. Friends, to install the official HyperOS Chinese ROM, there are 4 methods or process. And the first requirement is that your device bootloader must be unlocked. Only after unlocking the bootloader, you can flash any HyperOS ROM on your device. So if your bootloader is already unlocked, go to the pinned comment and click on the first link, which is the ROM download link. After clicking it, this page will open, where you will see 2 options. The first option is for the recovery ROM, which can be installed using the update package method from your current version. The second option is for flashing the ROM from any region, and this is the one you need to download. Simply tap on the second server link and the download will start. Generally, it takes around 5 to 7 minutes to download the ROM. By the way, my suggestion is to first download the ROM on your smartphone, then move it to your PC's download folder or C drive, then extract the ROM. Similarly, download the Mi Flash tool and install it on your PC or laptop. There are many versions available on many websites, but I have personally found this version to be the most stable and error-free. After that, switch off your phone and go to the fastboot mode by pressing the power and volume lower button simultaneously. Then connect it to your PC or laptop. Now open the Mi Flash tool. Tap on the select button and choose the unzipped ROM folder. Then tap on the refresh icon. And here you should see your device model. By the way, if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that before this step, you have already installed the required ADB drivers for your phone, something like this. One very important thing to remember here is that the bottom option must be selected as the first option, not the second or third one. Now simply tap on the flash icon and the flashing process will begin. Usually it takes around 10 to 20 minutes to flash the full ROM, depending on your device storage type. I'm not flashing it again here because I have already installed this ROM on my device. Once the flashing process is complete, it will show success here and your phone will automatically reboot. After that, unplug your phone from the PC and complete the initial setup. And if you ever want to reboot back from the Chinese ROM to any other region ROM, you can follow the same process. So yes, this is the easiest and safest method to install the official HyperOS Chinese ROM on the global Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G, no matter which region you are using. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more upcoming Note 13 Pro 5G updates in the future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring. Jai Hind.